Manipurda Jal Jeevan Mission JJM 2.0 implement taunaba Ministry of Jal Shakti amasung Government of Manipur aniki marakta yana Gi Khutyek Pinakhre Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan yauna pangthokiba Khutyek Pinabagi thauram maduda Jal Shakti ge Union Minister CR Patel, Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation ge Secretary Asok K Mina amade atai maru oiba official kayaso saruk yakhi Hiramasiga Mari Lainana social media da Tagalakpa post amada Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Hai Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 na Rural India gi yumthong khuding magta thaknaba aphaba ising phanghanaba gi pandam thamle mission asina Viksit Bharat 2047 mangphawna hanna pahonabada ajoba thodang ama lauragane Khongthang asigidamak Ministry of Jal Shakti da haining ngai leitana thagatle Manipur lengak na su yumthong khuding da thaknaba aphaba ising phanghanaba Khongpham chetni lepli haina su Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana makhata na phangdorakle